What are you doing? Vocabulary and expressions. Cooking. I'm cooking. Dancing. I'm dancing. Singing. I'm singing. Sleeping. I'm sleeping. Watching TV. I'm watching TV. Washing the dishes. I'm washing the dishes. Cleaning the house. I'm cleaning the house. Playing a board game. I'm playing a board game. Listen and repeat. I'm sleeping. I'm cooking. I'm washing the dishes. I'm dancing. I'm singing. I'm playing a board game. I'm watching TV. I'm cleaning the house. Look and listen. What are you doing? I'm singing. What are you doing? I'm cooking. What are you doing? I'm sleeping. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. What are you doing? I'm washing the dishes. What are you doing? I'm cleaning the house. What are you doing? I'm playing a board game. What are you doing? I'm dancing. What is he or she doing? What is he doing? He's cooking. What is he doing? He's dancing. What is she doing? She is singing. What is he doing? He is washing the dishes. What is he doing? He is watching TV. What is she doing? She is sleeping. What is he doing? He is cleaning the house. What is she doing? She's playing a board game. Let's play together. Let's cook together. Let's dance together. Let's sing together. Let's watch TV together. Let's wash the dishes together. Let's clean the house together. Let's play a board game together. Look and say, what are you doing? I'm cleaning the house. What is she doing? She's watching TV. What is he doing? He is cleaning the house. What are you doing? I'm playing a board game. What is she doing? She is sleeping. Let's sing together. Good job. See you again. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.